Hi, my name is Emma Maclean from Macleans Cleaning Services. We are a family-run cleaning business, and back in March I would say about 90% of our business shut down overnight. As a business owner, I realised I was going to have to pivot my business and fast, otherwise I might have to close the doors for good. So, as a supplier of PPE, and we have been since 2013, we used our existing supply chain and we sourced PPE for our essential service provider clients. During this time, it became very apparent to us that we needed a reusable face mask for our clients that were not medical grade, but our clients still wanted to offer their staff a face mask that was reusable and washable and wasn't diverting any of the supply to the medical services. We came up with our face mask, which is reusable, 3-layered and conforms to the CDC and the WHO standards. We started selling it B2B throughout Ireland and also throughout Europe. So I feel that a mask like this should be available to the consumer. So we set up an online store that launched this week. We're super proud of it. We sent out our first set of orders this week. And we are offering face masks in different colours and different patterns. So my advice, I suppose, to any business owner out there now would be just to look at your skill set and look at your knowledge and know and be confident that your knowledge and skill set is still really important to your clients. You may have to deliver this in a different way, but just to be confident that you will get back out there and just to use your supply chains, your skills and your knowledge, and that will still be very, very important to your clients. So thanks very much.